Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 1.3, question number 1. Find each of the following product. So that one, here you are looking A to Z part, J part. So plus, minus, minus, plus, minus, minus. If the minus in odd term, in odd time, in multiply, then there will become minus. Odd means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, these 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, right? Here also one time by minus, minus 225 1 ja 225, right? Here also minus, oh sorry, minus minus plus, even time minus minus. So plus, no need to write the plus. 21 3 ja 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, and then 0, 6 30, 6 30, right? Again here minus minus plus, 316 1 ja 316, right? And then E part, if you will multiply by 0, that answer will come 0, right? Here only one time is minus, so minus. 12 11 ja 132 and then 0. Here 2 time is minus, so there will be plus. So 6 3 ja 18, 18 9 ja 162, 162, and then 1 2 3 time is minus, so that will be minus because 3 is odd. 5 4 5 ja 20, 28 ja 18 2 ja 36, 18 2 ja 36, and then 0. Next 1 2 3 time minus is there, so minus. It means we are concentrating here only plus or minus. 4 3 ja 12, 2 ja 24, that is 24. J part 4 time is minus, so that plus will be there because 4 is a even. So 3 6 ja 18, 18 2 ja 36, right? Question second, that is verify the following. Verify the following, it means the calculation of this one and this one must become equal. So is equal to 18 multiply 17 less 3, 17 less 3, that will be 14 is equal to 18 7 ja 7 8 ja 56, that 7 8 ja 56, 7 में 7 और 5 12, 126, then minus 18 3 ja 54, and then multiply of this one 18 14, 4 8 ja 32, 4 1 ja 4, 3 7, 1 8 ja 8, 1 1 ja 1, 2 5, 2 252, 252 is equal to subtract 6 less 4 2, that 12 less 5, that 12 less 5, that will be 12 less 5 7, 72, that is something is looking here. Oh sorry, that is a 7, not a 17, that is a 7. So 7 less 3 4, so that will be 72. Okay, write it now, both are equal. B part also similarly we will do that minus 21 multiply minus 10, both in that one, minus minus plus 21 4 ja 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, then minus minus plus, minus minus plus, 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, minus minus plus, 21 1 ja 21 is equal to 84 plus this one 0, 5 2 7 7 and then 1 8, that 180, just different. See here, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, write it, that minus 12, 21, that is not equal, that 21 4 6, write it, minus 21 minus 4, write it, plus minus 21 6, yes, write it, so not equal. Okay, we can check the answer also. 1.3 is something in confusion here. 1.3, that second B part, second B part, 1.3 second B part is not given here. Verify the following, that is minus 21 multiply minus 10, that will be 210, and then 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, just wait, add here, 6 4 10 0, 4 8 10 1 11, and then yes, this is right. Question number 3, for any integer a, what is minus a multiply a equal to, that will be minus a, when you will, because you see that one time is minus there. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is minus 22. If you will be multiply minus 1 by minus 22, that will be minus minus plus, that will be 22. By 37, that will be minus 37, because minus 1 is there. By 0, that will be 0. If you will be multiply by 0, then answer will must become 0. Question number 4. Starting from minus 1 multiply 5, write various products showing some pattern so that minus 1 multiply minus 1 is equal to 1. So that you can write anything, minus 1 multiply minus 4, minus 1 multiply minus 3, that is equal to, also we will write, is equal to minus 4, minus 1 multiply minus 3 is equal to 3. Similarly, you can write more pair. Find the product using suitable properties. Suitable properties, this is the most important question. How we will do that one? See that 48 is a common, so that 48 we can take the common, and then after 26 minus 36, 26 minus 36 is left, so that minus 48 multiply minus 10, that will be minus minus plus 480, 48 1 ja 48. B part, 8 multiply 53 multiply 125. So first of all we will multiply of this one. So minus 125 8 ja 1000 multiply 53, minus plus minus 53 1 ja 53, 1 2 3 0 are there. C part, that is 15 25 4 10. So that first of all we will multiply by these two, minus minus plus 25 4 ja 100, and these two minus 15 1 ja 15, and then minus plus minus 15 1 ja 15, 1 2 3 zeros. These are the answers. D part, that is 41 multiply minus 41 multiply 102. So you can write multiply by direct also, because we have very less step space. Minus that one, 41 2 ja 82, 82, 41 1 ja 41. Then E part, 6 to 5 35, 6 to 5 65. Here is some confusion. If you are taking the 65 is both place, so minus 35, then this minus goes to here, minus 65. So that 625 into minus 100. So that will be 62500 and then minus also, because one time is minus there. F number that will be 7 multiply 50 and then minus 2 multiply 7. That 7 5 ja 35, 7 2 ja 14. Now the subtraction of these, 10 less 4 6, 4 less 1 3, 336. 336. G part, minus 57 minus 19 plus 57. So 57 we can take the common, so that will be minus 1 multiply minus 19 plus 1. So that 57 minus minus plus 19 1 19 plus 1 20. 57 into 20. So 57 2 ja 7 2 ja 14, 2 5 ja 10, 1 11. This is the answer. Question number 6. A certain freezing process required at room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begin? 6 part. So that is 40 temperature is there already, and then decreasing, it means minus how many time? That 10 hour. That will be 40 minus 50 is equal to minus 10 degree Celsius. That will be the answer. Now the 7th question we will see here. That is 7th question. Here is only 3 part you will be see. This is also not a difficult. So 7th question, first part, that will be solution. In a class test containing 10 questions only there, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are available for every incorrect answer, and 0 for question not attempt. So first of all, Mohan get 4 correct. 4 correct. It means 4 into 5. 4 into 5. And then minus, because deducting marks. And then 6 question. That 6 question. Ye done that one. So this will be 4 5 is 20 minus 12 is equal to 8. It means Mohan got the only 8 marks. Second part will be Resma get 5 correct answer. So that 5 multiply 5. 5 multiply 5 and then minus 5 incorrect answer. 5 into 2 is equal to 5 5 is 25 minus 10. It means 15 marks. Resma get 15 marks. Hira get 2 correct and 5 incorrect. Third part, Hira get 2 correct and 5 incorrect. 5 incorrect. Incorrect and 7 question attempt only. That means not need to write that one. 5 10 or 5 2 is 10. That means 0 marks. It means Hira get the 0 marks. 8th question. First part, a cement company earn a profit of rupees 8 per bag for white cement giving the profit and loss of 5 per bag of every cement salt, grey cement salt. So first A part is this. See, the company sell 3000 bag of white cement. That means 8 multiply 3000, and then how many grey? 5,000 bags of grey. So grey 5 multiply 5,000. That will be 8 3 are 24 minus 5 5 are 25. Then of subtraction, what is the profit or loss? That will be 1000 of loss is there. 1000 is loss there. And then minus means loss. And then we can see the answer also. 1.3 that 8th question, first part, 8th question, one part, yes, loss 1000. What the number of white cement begin it must sell to have neither profit nor loss? Neither profit nor loss. So that will be, so that 8 multiply 4 multiply 3000 minus 4 multiply 5000, that will be, see that 4000 bags. Just wait. Must shall have neither profit nor loss if number of grey bag sold 6400. That one, see that grey bag sold 6440. 6400 bags. This is the grey bag. That is a grey bag 5. Then that will be, what will become here? 4000. If the number of grey bags sold in 6400 bags, that will be 4000. See the data. Just wait at 8th B part, 4000 bag will become here. 8 4 32, 64. 4000 bag will be there. 4000 bags. Now 9th part. This is the very easy. A part, replace the blank with the incorrect integer of make the true statement. Minus 3 multiply blank 27. So minus 9 will be there, because minus minus plus 3 9 are 27. B part, that will be 5 into blank is equal to minus 35. 5 7 are 35. That is minus plus. C part, 7 into minus 8 is equal to minus 56. That is a blank place. 7 8 is 56. D part, that will be blank place, minus 12 into 132. So that will be minus 11. 11 12 is 32, minus plus.